Introducing MapView, a powerful geographic intelligence platform built directly for your CRM. MapView transforms data into interactive, location-based insights, revealing patterns and opportunities beyond traditional reports. MapView links business performance with geography for smarter decision-making. Visualize, manage, update, and take action on your records, all from one unified interface. Identify high-performing regions and opportunity gaps using heat maps that highlight demand and activity density in real time. Use bubble maps to compare regions, spotlight key accounts, and analyze performance across territories. Optimize field operations with route planning, reducing travel time and improving coverage. With territories, define priority regions, apply filters, and gain clarity on regional ownership and performance. Smart widgets display real-time KPIs on the map dashboard, converting CRM data into actionable insights. Use clusters to automatically group nearby records, enhancing visibility and improving performance when visualizing high-density data. Visualize better, decide faster, act smarter. Begin by navigating to Settings. Within Settings, open the Modules tab to manage your data configurations. Click Create New Module to initiate a new data setup for MapView. Next, select the appropriate data source type. You can choose between all data or query data depending on your reporting requirements. For this demonstration, select all data and then click Import to proceed. Once the import is initiated, MapView begins fetching your data in the background. You can monitor the progress in real time through the job list located just above the gear icon. While the process is running, the status will display as In Progress. When the data import is successfully completed, the status automatically updates to Completed. On the top right corner of the MapView main screen, use the heat map icon to enable or disable the heat map view using the toggle button. Once activated, the heat map visually represents the intensity of data density across locations. By default, MapView displays standard heat intensity levels. To enable a smoother and more detailed visual transition, select the gradient option. This applies a continuous color spectrum, allowing you to distinguish subtle variations in data concentration. You can further refine the visualization by adjusting the radius of the synced contacts, increasing or decreasing the coverage area to match your analytical needs. Bubble maps in MapView help you visually highlight priority regions, making it easier to identify and focus on key geographic areas. From the top right corner of the MapView main screen, use the bubble map icon to enable or disable the feature using the toggle button. To configure a bubble, begin by clicking the gear icon next to the toggle. Next, click the plus icon to add a new bubble. A pop-up form appears, allowing you to define the address and the radius of the area you want to visualize on the map. You can also customize the bubble by selecting your preferred color and adjusting the radius using the palette controls. Once configured, click Create. The page refreshes automatically to apply the changes. Finally, toggle the bubble map icon to display the configured bubbles on the map. Votes offers two powerful route planning options to support efficient navigation and operational planning: destination-based routes and hand-drawn routes. Destination-based routes. To plan a destination-based route, navigate to the top right corner of the MapView main screen and select the Routes icon. Click Plan Routes to begin. A pop-up window appears, prompting you to enter the destination points for your route. You can add multiple destinations based on your operational requirements. Once all locations are entered, click Get Routes to proceed. MapView automatically calculates and generates an optimized route, designed to improve travel efficiency and reduce time on the road. The generated route is then saved to the route's history, allowing you to access, review, or share it at any time. Hand-drawn routes. Hand-drawn routes in MapView provide a flexible way to plan routes based on custom-defined geographic areas. From the top right corner of the MapView main screen, select the Hand-drawn routes option. Using the drawing tool, define the desired radius or area directly on the map. Once the area is selected, click Plan Route. MapView automatically identifies and brings all CRM records within the selected radius into the Destinations dropdown. You can then navigate from lead to lead. MapView generates an optimized route to ensure efficient travel and improved field productivity. This functionality gets routes from data point to another data point. Territories in MapView enable structured geographic segmentation for improved ownership, visibility, and performance tracking. From the top left corner of the MapView main screen, open the Territories drop-down. Click the plus icon to create a new territory. Enter a territory name, then define the location either by selecting an address or using the hand-drawn map option. For this demonstration, the hand-drawn option is selected. Next, choose a color to visually distinguish the territory on the map and click Next to continue. If multiple MapView users exist within the account, they will appear in the Assignees drop-down for territory assignment. If there is only a single admin user, no assignee options will be displayed. To display territory-specific data within the dashboard, select the appropriate widgets from the available options. Once the assignees and widgets are selected, click Create Territory. The newly created territory now appears under the Territories drop-down in the top left corner of the MapView interface. When a specific territory is selected, the map automatically zooms into the defined area. The Widgets module in MapView provides a flexible way to manage and customize data widgets within your CRM, enabling quick access to key metrics and insights. To create a new widget, click Settings in the bottom left corner of the screen and navigate to the Widget section. Here you can view all previously created widgets. To add a new one, click Create New Widget. A configuration pop-up appears, allowing you to select the module, define a custom name, choose an icon, and assign a custom color for the data. Click Next to continue. In the next step, select the formula to be applied to the widget, add a shortcode for easy identification, and specify the field on which the formula should be applied. The data charts are generated based on the applied formula and can be further refined to display historical trends, categorize data, or both. Once completed, save the widget. The newly created widget will appear in the Widgets list and will also be displayed on the main MapView screen, providing instant visibility into your selected CRM data. Widgets help transform raw CRM data into actionable insights directly within your MapView dashboard.